Hi, this is Lakshmi Prasad from PySpiders Rajajinagar. I'm a trainer here. So one of our students got placed in a company, so she's going to share her experience.
Hi, this is Nishi. I'm from Gadag. So I came here came here to take a course on Python full stack. So in February month 2025, year of pass out is also 2025 pass out. So I've done courses. I've done classes in Python that was taken by Keshav Sir and Django with Alex and SQL with Vinod Sir and web with Govind Sir.
So which are all the other activities helpful to crack the interview?
So to crack the interview, like we always have Python. So basically the Python is also helpful. Python and presentation boot camps also which makes helps and aptitude class also was very helpful. That was taken by Selva Kumar Sir.
Congratulations.
Thank you.